Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Here's your candle, right? This is what we talked about, I think, last week. I told you guys that we have a long tail like this and we end the week like this, right? We close above this trend. We're basically going to moon to 75, like 381 around this level. I don't need to make this a long video because, that's exactly what I told you guys was going to happen, right? Any close on the bottom here, chance that we might drop. Any long tail like this and closing above trend, which is exactly how we closed on Sunday, you're going to moonshot up to 75,483, right? Because we're moving, right, what you guys ideally should be doing is looking for any kind of instance where, you can only do this with, my indicators, obviously, but you want to be looking for any kind of crypto that hasn't really mooned and is pushing like a monthly close, right? Like right now, Doggy, monthly trigger, right? Everything's pushing. I would not be surprised to see Doggy at least at like 22 cents. And then probably at 29 and then probably at 44, right? So Doggy, you can look at Sol. Sol is a little bit too close to highs, right? You can look at, I don't know, what's like a random, what's Sui? Sui? Nah, Sui's already at highs. I don't even know what that is. So you want to be looking at, I wouldn't necessarily say look at Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is too, you would need it to double, right? For it to do anything significant, right? But start looking at meme coins, right? And ADA, look at ADA, again, chilling at 34. Whenever it closes the bullish month entry, right, you're looking at some pretty gnarly pushes to the upside. Maybe not ADA. ADA hasn't really done much, right? It's holding support, so I would say maybe add a little bit of ADA. It's kind of lost its like traction. AVAX looks like it's going to be closing a bullish. Again, you closed a full engulfing right here, so I'd definitely be looking at longing like AVAX right now. There's a lot of things you could buy, right? A lot of things that you can probably like split up your money on. What about Shiba? Shiba Inu, still very low from its lows. There's a lot of things you can probably, FTM. FTM I would definitely look into, right? Bullish entry on the month, right? And it's definitely pretty low from its highs, like back to like $3. This one could do like a 5X pretty easy to go back to previous highs FTM, right? And again, this really just depends on what you want to like have like any kind of addition to. But I'd strongly recommend to, maybe look for, again, I can probably do like a video for you guys for exactly which ones are looking really, really good. But I would focus a lot on like perfect entries, right? Because again, this random one, Fetch AI, you would have bought here at 1 cent before it mooned to 60 cents, right? What is it, like 10 cents? You would have bought again here at like 35 cents before it moonshot did a 10x to 3.5. Right now, still not yet, right? It's still not a perfect entry, right? Let's go to a random one. This one called Dia or Bonk, right? Let's go Bonk. Bonk doesn't have anything yet. What about 2 week? 2 week looks pretty weak. I don't know if I would want to get Bonk, right? What's like a random one that we can check? Super. We'll go with Super, right? Super already mooned. Super would have been a really good entry at this 2 week point right here. At 78 cents, you would have already doubled your money, right? And again, 2 week perfect entry right here on the 2 week, right? You would have entered back on September 23rd, 2023. You would have bought at 7 cents before it moonshot to $1.50, right? You would have bought here again, right here at 11 cents before it shot up before it doubled to 20 cents, right? And then again, your entry points would have been right here and right here with the indicators right there. So this isn't luck, bro. My indicators are just too fucking goated. So again, if you want to make this easier for yourself, you can join the Patreon and find out, how to use the indicators to get something. But again, right now it does look like everything's pushing to the upside. So I would say meme coins are probably going to be like your best target to make like a crap ton of money, in my opinion. But yeah, Bitcoin looks pretty good. It looks like, again, it's confirming that candle like I told you guys. So as long as you close above this trend here like that, I'd say as of right now, it's looking pretty solid to the upside, right? Pushed up, came back down. You close at a long tail, and then you're pushing from right here. So yeah, I definitely say 75,856 is the target for Bitcoin right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.